Hi everyone, Jared Bruning here with the Daily Bell Ringer, and real quickly I wanted to show you where you can find the worksheets that go along with the Bell Ringer videos. So really the main place to go look is in the Bell Ringer store. So if you click on store up here at the top, all right, when the Bell Ringer store opens up here you can see here are all the different sets of worksheets. You can look through here and just kind of see the different ones, different sets, and it'll show you how many worksheets are in each one. If you want to look at one closer, just simply click on it, and then it will open up kind of a preview of that. You can see there'll usually be a table of contents. If there's not a table of contents up there, you can always look down and it'll show you a table of contents of what videos are included there, but it'll give you kind of a preview of what a lot of these worksheets have, and then of course there's a little preview video here as well as to what to expect with the video. So that's for a full packet of worksheets. But if we go back to the store here again and you're looking for simply one specific worksheet video. Say, there's the preamble of the Constitution. So you come back here to the store page, scroll down, here's US Constitution. You can just simply scroll through and find the one that you're looking for. So I'm looking for the preamble. I click on preamble there, and there you can see there is the preamble of the Constitution video. All I'd have to do is hit add to cart, and there you can see it's in my cart now. I'm going to view my cart. And when I go to view my cart, that's when then I can go and check out. All right, so right now it's got me getting two of these video worksheets. I'm going to do it to one. So again, I can put in a promo code if there's a promo that I've got going on for discounts. There you can hit checkout or pay with PayPal right there. Also, another place to look for worksheets or videos is if you go to the video tab here on the website. Here you can see here's a link to all the different playlists of videos. So if you're doing the growth of the colonies, there's a link to all the worksheets that go with the growth of the colonies. But then too, you can just click on growth of the colonies, and now it will open up the full playlist of all of those videos that go with the growth of the colonies. So if you just wait a moment, it'll load up all those different videos. So here you can find all those videos that go with those worksheets. Or for instance, you're doing the US Constitution. There's the full worksheet pack. Click on the playlist and it'll open up that full playlist so you can easily find whatever section or whatever part of the Constitution you're learning for that day. So hopefully that makes sense, and again, hopefully these are helpful, and thanks.